this video, I'm going to show you how to create your GameSheet account and load your team roster into GameSheet so that you're ready to score games. You should have received an email like this that has your team name, an invitation code, a regular season scheduling code, and the iPad scoring app code. These placeholders will be replaced by the specific codes for your team in your email. So to create my account, I'm going to scroll down where it says accessing the dashboard, and I'm going to open the link to gamesheet.app. When you get here, if you have a GameSheet account, you can simply log in with your existing email and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the forgot password link to retrieve it. But since we're creating an account, I'm going to go to the first time here, create an account link. On this screen, I'm going to enter my invitation code, my email, first and last name, create a password, and then hit continue to move on to the next screen. So when I get here, it's going to tell me the team the invitation's for, verify that you have the right team. If it's not right, you may have mistyped the invitation code and you can go back and try again. Since I have the team I want, I'm going to create my account. If you already had an account and simply logged in, you will need to add your invitation code by clicking on your name and choosing accept invitation and then entering the code on this screen. If you used your invitation code to create the account, you still need to follow this step to add the regular season scheduling code. This will allow managers and coaches to schedule league games in GameSheet during the regular season. And now it's going to take me to the top level associations for my account. So from here, I'm going to drill into USA Hockey Mid-Am, Buckeye Travel Hockey League. Right now, the only season available is the seeding season. So from this screen, I can now view and edit my team. So to do that, I'm going to click on View Teams. And here's my team. Click on the team name. So now I'm at the point that I can add players. Ideally, what we want to do is import our roster from USA Hockey. So I'm going to click up here on the import, click on USA Hockey, and now it's asking for my team ID. To find your team ID, you will look either in an email you've been sent from your association registrar with your roster. So right up here in the title is my team ID, OHH1271-004. Or if I'm on my roster page at USA Hockey, I can find my team ID on the roster as well. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it back into GameSheet, hit import, and now all of my players and my coaches from my roster have been pulled in to my team. There is another step that you will have to do. My USA Hockey roster does not have player numbers, so I'm going to have to go through each player, click on them, and enter their jersey number. So I'm down to my last player number. Again, I'm just clicking on the dashes where the player number was, typing in the player number, and either clicking on save or just hitting the enter button. Now I have all of my players entered. The other thing that you'll want to do is make sure that your goalies are properly designated. So again, if you can click on that spot in the line and you can change to goalie. If you like, you can enter positions, but that's not really necessary for our league. We really just need to know who the goalies are on the team for when it downloads into the GameSheet scoring app. You will also want to verify your coaches. Make sure a coach is designated as head and assistants as necessary, and add any coaches that are missing. You've created your account. You've loaded your team roster. From this point, you will manage your roster. If you need to add or remove players, you can do that on this page. If you add players to your roster after the seeding tournament, you need to communicate that to your division commissioner so that they're aware of roster changes being made.